everybody, this is Tim O'Neill from Art Geek Teaching. Thanks for coming on today. Today we are going to make a tie-dye t-shirt with a heart design. So the first thing we're going to do is soak our t-shirts, pre-washed t-shirts by the way, in a cup of hot sodium carbonate. If you don't have sodium carbonate, you can make it. Just bake 1 cup of baking soda at 200 degrees and that will make sodium carbonate. Alright, the next thing we're going to do here is I have drawn a heart on the t-shirt using these sketch and wash pencils, and then we're just going to bunch it up, keeping a line as straight as we can with the heart. Looks like we're having a little trouble here. Sometimes it doesn't work as easy as you think it ought to, but just keep bunching it up. Move the shirt around. Shirt is still damp. We took it out of our bath, squeeze it out, and then we simply put it right on the table and drew the heart on it. Alright, we've got the heart in a fairly straight line. Now we're just going to bunch it up, put a rubber band on there, all the way down to my mark, right on the mark. We're going to put another rubber band just a little bit further on down the road. There you go. Squeeze that in there. One more rubber band. Probably ought to get that tail. Yep, gonna get that tail in. Once you have that all wrapped up, now go get your dyes. And I'm not gonna be very careful here. I'm just gonna kind of squirt this stuff on. If you wanted to be careful, if you're a little OCD, that is no problem. You'll get a nice clean line, but and with no splashes in there. You can see there's some green splashed in the yellow. That doesn't bother me. I'm not really worried about that. The other thing is, if you want a white line at each one of your rubber bands, you have to kind of stay away from that line because the dye is going to wick. It is a wet t-shirt. This is 100% cotton shirt. So that dye is going to wick and move a little bit on you. So if you want a clean white line, you have to kind of stay away from those rubber bands with the dye. Don't go that far down. For me, I didn't really care. It's a heart design. It's abstract. It's tie-dye. Little splashes here and there don't bother me, and I don't need a definite white line. All right, last color on this one. I'm just going to do green, yellow, and so I'm finishing up the bottom of it. Again, this is not the bottom of the shirt necessarily. This is just the last piece to be dyed, making sure I get plenty of dye in there. And you'll notice that there is a paper towel. I've got plastic down, then a pan, then paper towel, and that's just to catch any drips and soaks them up. All right, after we've done that, we just grab a plastic bag, wrap it in a plastic bag. That is primarily to keep it wet, and we're going to leave it overnight for 24 hours. Next night, I grabbed it, took it out of the paper bag, and here we're going to rinse it under cold water. And you're going to rinse under cold water until all of the dye is out. So in other words, till your water runs clean. A little hard to see in a black sink here, but you're going to rinse it long enough to where no more dye comes out. From there, all you need to do, take a peek. Doesn't look like we got the heart very good. We got the heart shape, but no divot in the top there, as you can see. And the final thing you have to do, put it in the washing machine, cold water. First couple times you wash your garment and you are good to go. If you like this short tutorial, be sure to subscribe, like, hit the bell. We will be coming to you with more fun art projects as we move along. Have an awesome day.